Hi, it's Chris again with C&H Auto Accessories, coming from our newest location here in Margate, Florida. And what do we have today? Well, we got a great lift with some nice wheels and tires on a Chevy Silverado. So come on over here. Now, we got a rough country 6-inch lift here, and we have some Nittos with the, I forgot what the wheels are. But these are 35s in here, and of course we have the gear off-road wheels on there. And nice lift here. As you can see, you got a lot of room in there. Now, generally, I know he went to go with 37s, but because of the way the wheels are, the wheel wells are shaped, the back's not so much of a problem, but the front 37s, a lot more trimming involved, so not that much with the 35s. And you got some wonderful clearance if he does go off-road. And I tell you, this is a really great look here. And again, you come over here, you can see the front suspension on here. And this, again, I like lifted trucks. Obviously, I have a 6-inch lift on my Ram, and I got some nice big tires on there as well. I got some nice 37s, and these are 35s. Again, Nitto makes a great tire. If you're not familiar with Nitto, they're pretty much I would say one of the top of the line tires you can get. And I like this look. And of course, he's doing the black on black, and I think that is a very sharp look. So if you like any of these products, you can call us up, and this repeat customer here, we can get you all the parts, we can sell you the parts, we can get it installed for you, whatever you like, we got it covered for you. Again, this is a great looking truck with a nice rough country 6-inch lift here with a gear off-road and the Nitto EXO Grappler tires. And again, I'm Chris with C&H Auto Accessories here in Margate, Florida. And don't forget, hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.